Okay, so today is the 4th of July. Big celebration in the United States. And to celebrate the 4th of July, I'm running a giveaway in partnership with Todd Lammle. This is a massive giveaway. 6 people are going to win access to Todd Lammle's Platinum membership for 1 year. This gives you access to all the self-paced training on Todd's website for 1 year. The value of this prize is $595 per membership. So 6 people, and you don't have to be resident in the United States to win this, will win access to a Platinum membership, access to all the self-paced training on Todd's website for 1 year. You get access to CCNP training, CCNA training, firepower training, a whole bunch of training available on Todd Lammle's website. But in addition, 5 people are going to win CCNA and CCNP books. I'm giving away 3 CCNA books and 2 CCNP books during this giveaway. Use the links below this video if you want to win a Platinum membership to Todd's website or you want to win a CCNA or CCNP book. Please note, however, that you have to be a resident in the United States to win one of the physical books. Todd will be buying these books and shipping them to you, but please note you have to be a resident of the United States. Don't enter for a physical book unless you live in the United States. This is to celebrate the 4th of July. Big thanks to Todd for running this giveaway. Todd has really come to the table this time. Okay, so I want to wish all my American friends a happy 4th of July. Hope you have a fantastic day.